I just got a GoPro Hero 11 and using this media mod. So today I'm just gonna test it out, how it's functioning in the real world. I don't know how the audio quality on this particular media mod. I'm using the front facing camera for this. Right now it's 7:48 AM in the Paris. It's very cool today. Let's take it for the ride. Alexa, bye. Been an amazing day, amazing start. I just want to test it out with the media mod. Let's go through the Paris. It's 8 o'clock in the morning on a winter day. Starting of winter day. I just started my commute to my work. Now we are just gonna go towards railway station. The road is super wet today. I am on the Trontinet, not definitely a good safety vehicle, I would say. So I should make sure that I give a lot of 2-car distance in front of me. So technically this is the second time I'm testing my GoPro. On the first time when I tested, I put it in a vertical mount and then that mount was not really good. I don't know how the audio is coming. I have no idea. If you're wondering how the audio quality looks like for the media mount, well, now you know it. Lot of trash. I actually hate this kind of part of Paris. It's not the government which is not doing it properly. The people who are living it here are just not maintaining it properly. Yes, I will cut the signal. It's okay. Okay, so now it's green. I can cross. Okay, so now absolutely no vehicle. I don't know what the hell happened. There has been a lot of police in this particular area, especially here. Okay, but these places, they are just there. Yes, green, baby. Otherwise it's just red. You have to stop. It's just a little bit annoying, you know. Oh, the Tesla Model S which we saw there, it's 6. I don't know if the camera captures it or not, but that Tesla is sexy. I've been traveling in Trontinet for the last 1 year actually, and if you see this bike lane, make sure you ride it on that. You see, like that, exactly like that guy. It's just not quite of a good safety. Please don't ride it in the road. Ride it in the bike lane, guys. Be safe. The only thing I hate it is where it is so much cold and then too much sun and it just burns through your skin. Do comment on it if you are like #no sun. Let's take the opposite bike lanes. Alright, pedestrians first. Okay, now you're off-cutted because we are gonna go to the gare. So the gare in French is called as railway station or a station. So if you say gare de bus, it's bus stop, and if you say gare de train, and then it's basically train station. Madam, yes, thank you. Guys, a lot of people just seeing the phone and then directly walking, and it's just not the good thing, to be honest. And we arrived to the gare. Then I need to take another one. Bye. Let's turn this way. Hey, double window to left. That's good. So technically this is where I have to go. Alright. Here easily, and I want to try to go through here. Rule number 1 about the roundabouts. Always it's the priority for the people who are inside the roundabout. Each morning I had to go through the forest like this. Both sides are like real forest and I go through here. I reached the office, but I had no other option. I had to go through this. The weather is so good, but my GoPro will be drenched and my media mic mod will be drenched. Please let there be a bus in 2 minutes so that I can get inside. I don't mind traveling a lot longer distance than normal. So let me just go and see the bus timings. If not, I am fucked. But during these times, my Trontinet will just skid a lot in this bus. But it's all right. And here also. Magical. Now this is the GoPro Hero 11 with the media mode attached. Riding in the rain little bit. Going through my everyday life. Yesterday, I filmed whole day with this particular adapter attached to my bag or my jacket riding in the city of Paris. And today, I have this attached to this Volta media mode attached. Explore Paris and put this through the test. Alexa, bye. I just bought the GoPro. I never owned a GoPro in life. It's still drizzling a little bit and I'm using this. Yesterday as well, when I was riding the Trontinet, almost drenched it with the media mode, and I don't even have any idea if this media mode is actually currently picking up my audio or not. Again, this is going to be the test for the GoPro camera, how easy it is to use. On top of all of this, Volta and everything is now waiting to be rain checked. Drizzle checked. Came here for the breakfast. I hope this is open and available for us. How's the food?
Trop bien.
Oui, ça a été très bien. No sunlight, now sunlight. How's the GoPro capturing? With huge backlight behind me. I'll let you guys be the judge. I never tried the time warp mode in this GoPro Hero 11. Just now tried and it's so good. Here's the situation. So the way I'm reviewing all of this is how a dumb user can use this GoPro. For example, like me, I never used GoPro at all, and if it is easy for me to use, and that's the best thing ever. Now for the dynamic range and everything, you can check. This is how the GoPro performs.
In Paris,
That's right.
the Chinese phone.
Yes, exactly. In Emily in Paris, this is where the bench. See, Emily and Mindy will be sitting here, and then the children will be running and playing around over there. This is the Emily in Paris spot, and this is what it is. All the shot lies, and this place is called as Palais Royal, and it's in the center of a city in Paris, and it's next to the Louvre Museum. It's just over there in that direction. This particular situation is challenging for any camera and for this GoPro, and when it is like too much of a highlights and too much of a shadows. So how well this camera performs, and how well the images coming out of this, and that's a challenge for this particular camera, and that's why I particularly came to this spot to film on this. Do you remember what place is this? Emily in Paris. Office entrance. This is the place where Sylvie and Emily will be entering for the office in the first floor. This is just a weekend market in Paris. They just set up the stall. Technically find anything from plants to dresses to books. After the thrift shop, we just entered the Parc de Butters. Roaming around the park. Right now, we have to go back and get some lunch. Do check this out, and this is the second time I'm going on this river cruise with this particular company called as the Vida Duponno. Time wrap quality of the GoPro. Check. peak performance in Paris. This happens each weekend by different people, and today these people are performing it. I just completed editing this vlog, and this is the review of this GoPro Hero 11 with this media mod attached. It's just as plain simple as it gets from the user who never owned a GoPro before in his life. And hope you guys enjoy this video.